Warning, stop submitting your ideas through portals. It doesn't work to license your idea. I'm going to show you how to get it done, so watch this video and do this instead. Now, I know that you've got this great idea and you want to get to the right company, and so you're searching on the internet and you find the right company and they've got this little button for you to submit your idea to them. I hate to tell you, those portals do not work. They never have worked. I've heard from many companies, they never take an idea through the portal. So don't waste your time. This is what I want you to do though. I want you to find the company you want to submit your idea to. Go to LinkedIn, find the company, find the little tab that says people, and look at all the people that work at that company. And I want you to reach out to maybe the president, maybe the vice president, maybe someone in sales, maybe someone in inventor relations if they do have it, or new product development. The point is, you have to reach out to the right people to ask them about their process. You really want to find the right person that's going to review your product submission. You see, those little buttons that you find that our companies are looking for ideas, which I doubt anyway, that's the wrong way to submit your idea to a company. It's going to get lost, so don't even look at it. I hate to tell you, it sounds easy, it sounds like the best way to do it, but after all the years I've been in this business, of all the companies I've talked to over the years, they have told me they never take an idea through those portals. And if they did, you would see successes. You would see on their website the successes they've had by people submitting their ideas through those portals. So they don't work. You need to build a relationship with those companies. You need to take your time, go to LinkedIn, find the company, find all the people that are on LinkedIn, and reach out to them, make a contact, build a relationship, and make sure you have the right person that's going to review your product submission so you can follow up. And even if they send you through the portal and you have the right person to follow up later, it's always better. It's a black hole. I'm here to tell you, warning, submit here, sign up here. It doesn't work. And if it did work, you would see a lot of successes. In fact, they would be yelling from the rooftop, hey, submit your idea here. Look at all the ideas we've taken and brought to market. But you won't see it because it doesn't work that way.